Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I am making a few DIYs for you all. If you all seen my last video, you know that I did the haul. So in that haul video, I mentioned these clear bowls. Okay, so starting with the first set of bowls, I'm using 6 bowls for the first one, and basically what I'm doing, I'm taking 2 and I'm attaching butt to butt. And then I'm gonna do this 2 more times where I have 3 sets of 2 bowls butt to butt. As you see me doing here, I'm just taking that Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks, as mentioned in my last haul video, and I'm just carefully putting that on the basically like the rim on the bottom of the bowl. And like I said, I'm attaching them butt to butt. And then once I do have those 3 sets put together, that's when I'm going to take the 3 sets and I'm going to attach them face to face, if that makes sense. If not, just keep watching. You'll understand. Okay, so like I said here, you're going to see me take those 3 sets and take them and tape them. Glue them face to face. Now I went on ahead and did 6 bowls, and the remainder bowls, which were 10, I went on ahead and created my second thing. I don't know what to call these. For my sake of this video, I'm going to call them planters. Other people will call them other things because you can use this for many things. I have made one of these way a long time ago, and I decided to put it at my front door, and I used that as like my like a key thing. So you know, you can call this whatever you want, but for this video, for my video, I'm going to call this a planter because that's what I'm using this one for. Alright, and here I'm just taking that gold spray paint as mentioned in my haul video. Make sure you go check that out. And I'm just going to spray paint both of these gold because that's the theme I'm going for. And after 1.5 cans of spray paint later, this is what it's looking like so far. Alright, so jumping into the next part of this video. When my planters were dry, I just went ahead and took those foam circles that I had gotten from Dollar Tree. Again, check the haul video. And I had to use some hot Gorilla Glue sticks and glued those 2 foam pieces together, glued them to the bottom of the bowls, and then took my scissors and I had pre-poked some holes into the foam pieces just to make it a little bit easier for myself when I had put the onion grass in it. Then ahead of time, I went on ahead and added 2 bags of rocks to each of the planters, just so that I know, because I knew that once I start, if I were to put the onion grass in first and then add the rocks, it'll be a little bit difficult. So this was smart for me. So then I took the onion grass and I wanted that wild look, because if you see before, like right here, before and after, it's like before you spread them apart, it's kind of like skinny looking, and I like the big shit. So I just went ahead and spread them out, and you know, I had feathered them out a little bit, and then I had stuck them all in there, and then you know, I just worked my way out and then worked my way in. Wait, did I don't know. I think I had worked on one side and then just worked my way towards closer to myself. I don't know, y'all. But yeah, just stick them in however you want to do it. But like I said, in that haul video, I was going to be pulling all of that stuff off. All those little flowers and decor little pieces that's on there. Yeah, I didn't want those. So, of course, I just stuck them off. I just pulled them off and then just went ahead, filled my little planter up and made it a little cute, y'all. But if you plan on doing this and you buy the ones with the little decor pieces on there, be sure to be careful, because as I'm going to show you, when you're pulling off the little decor pieces, some of the little onion grasses, they're going to slide off the little stems and stuff like that. Like here, as you see, like some of the little parts or whatever the case is, whatever they are, is going to slide up and down off the little thing like this. So make sure that you're being careful when you're pulling them so that you don't lose no onion grass. So I just went ahead and finished that tall one. Then I went on ahead and did the second one, and I'm going to be right back. And I am obsessed, you guys. This is exactly what it looks like on my side of the bedroom. And yes, I said my side of the bedroom because the other side of the bedroom is where his stuff is. But this is what it looks like, and I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. Y'all, this is so beautiful. I really recommend doing this. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Go ahead and do it. Try it right now. Right now. All right, jumping into the second part of this DIY, I'm taking all of those foam wreaths that I showed you guys in my haul video. Go check it out. All 14 of those wreaths. I had just used my hot Gorilla Glue sticks, and I just glued all 14 of them together, and I spray painted it, and I put it by my mirror in my bedroom. It's literally just that simple. I don't know what else to tell you guys. It's literally just that simple. Just glue all your rings together. No, the rings will not melt. If you get this one, the heart foam, it's not going to melt with the hot Gorilla Glue sticks, because like I said, if you saw that haul video, you saw how hard and sturdy the rings were. So I recommend this one if you want to spray paint it, because that's what I did. I had just glued all 14 rings together, and then once I glued all 14 rings together, I just went ahead and spray painted it. I did 2 coats of the gold spray paint of the same one, and just put it in my bedroom. So yeah. Like I said, this is what it looks like on my floor. I didn't know if I want to leave it open or just leave it as is or put any plants or anything. So this is what it looks like for right now. But yeah. And then here are the 2 projects put together, you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.